Welcome to Fyno Connect, a no-code solution for triggering notifications by connecting directly with your databases. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of connecting to a database, creating a cohort, and launching a campaign. Let's begin by navigating to the Databases page. Here, under the Available DB Integration section, you can see all the available database integrations. For this demonstration, we'll select Athena. Enter a custom name and fill out all the required fields on this form. Once completed, click on the Add Database button to add this database to your list. Now, the database should be listed under the Connected DB section. Click on the database card to view its schema and data. You can view all the records present in the schema. From the drop-down menu, select the desired schema and view the associated data displayed below. You can get the number of records in the schema by clicking on the Get Count button. To filter the data, you have the option to use our custom UI or write any advanced query, including joins, to get a single view of your customers. For this demonstration, let's write a simple Athena query. After writing the query, click on the Run button to fetch the data according to the query. Here you can view the queried data. To save this query as a cohort, simply click on the Save as Cohort button. Name your cohort and click on the Submit button to create it. On the Cohorts page, all the created cohorts are displayed, and by selecting them, you can review the query and the data. You can also download a CSV file of the cohort containing all the records of that particular cohort. To do that, click on Download CSV in the Cohort options. Having covered that, let's proceed to creating a campaign. You can initiate this process right from the Cohort Details page. Choose the Save and Create Campaign option from this page. Go ahead and create the campaign. Start by giving it a name, and then select the type of campaign you're looking to run. Click on the Create button to finalize your campaign's creation. At the top of the page, you'll notice a Notification Event drop-down menu. The options in this menu are sourced from your Fyno cloud. Select the most suitable one for your campaign. Below, there are two sections titled To and Data. In the To section, you'll see destination options. For this event, we have SMS. And in the Data section, we have name and OID. Here, select the column name that corresponds the required field, and in our case, we will select the destination field. For the name, let's choose the destination. And for OID, let's choose WSID. On the right-hand side, you'll be able to view the preview of the template present in the event. This template is set up for WhatsApp and SMS, but you can choose from a total of 9 supported channels, including email and push notifications. You can go to the event by clicking on the Go to Event button, or go to the template by clicking on the Go to Template button. You can configure if you want to receive delivery reports to the endpoints you have allowed in Fyno Cloud. You also have the flexibility to configure optional throttling to your campaign. There are 2 types available, by time and by batch. On the top, you can set the campaign type as either one-time or recurring. There are multiple options of how you want to set up a recurring campaign. Now let's switch to one-time and make this a one-time campaign. Whenever the campaign is fired, a new set of data will be fetched from the database and notifications will be sent to them. Moving on to testing, fill in the required data to test the campaign. When you click the Test and Save button, if the test is successful, the campaign will automatically be saved. Our test was successful, and we have now saved the campaign. You can fire the campaign from here by clicking the Fire Campaign button, or you can return to the listing page and fire the campaign from there. Let's proceed to fire the campaign. With 2 easy steps, we were able to fire campaigns to the users directly from your database. Hit Fire to fire the campaign. The status will then change to Processing. After running the campaign, you can view all the logs under the Logs tab. Congratulations! You have successfully launched your first campaign within minutes. With Fyno Connect, you can utilize the customer data already stored in your database to create cohorts and launch campaigns without writing a single line of code. Moving on to workspace settings, you can configure team members and enable alerts for any failures in Fyno Connect. You can add a new team member or delete an existing team member to manage role-based access. You can also configure alerts for campaign failures and Connect downtime. Here you can mention the email addresses to whom an email will be sent for campaign failures and connect downtime.